Okay. Hi everyone. I am Dr. Vikas Yadav from City International School, and today I am going to teach you empirical formula and molecular formula calculation. तो आज हम जो है ये दिस इज द टॉपिक ऑफ क्लास 11 फ्रॉम द चैप्टर बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री। तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है, तो सबसे पहले हम जानेंगे कि व्हाट इज एम्पेरिकल फार्मूला एंड व्हाट इज मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला। ओके, तो सभी लोग प्लीज़ कॉपी पे ध्यान दीजिएगा। ओके, नाउ ओके, द टॉपिक इज empirical formula, empirical and molecular formula. Molecular formula. So what is empirical formula and what is molecular formula? The first one is सबसे पहले empirical formula. Empirical formula. So what is empirical formula? तो the formula in which ध्यान देना है, the formula in which elements are present in their simplest whole number ratio. यानी दैट फॉर्मूला इन विच द एलिमेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन देयर सिंपलेस्ट होल नंबर रेशियो, यानी जितना मिनिमम पॉसिबल हो सकता है वो उतने रेशियो में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक जैसे द फॉर्मूला ऑफ ग्लूकोज। एवरीबडी नो अबाउट द फॉर्मूला ऑफ ग्लूकोज? इफ समवन नोज प्लीज आंसर इन कमेंट बॉक्स। व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ ग्लूकोज? I am waiting. Okay, thank you Abhinav sir. Pratyush, thank you. So what is formula of glucose? Anybody know about it? Okay, I'm going to discuss with you. The formula of glucose is C6H12O6. There are 6 number of carbon atoms, 12 number of hydrogen atoms and 6 number of oxygen atoms. But the simplest formula of this compound, अगर हम इसके simplest formula की बात करें तो it will be CH2O. कैसे? all numbers will be divided by 6. So then the carbon will be 1, hydrogen will be 2 and oxygen will be 1. Therefore, this simplest formula is called empirical formula. Empirical formula of glucose. Then the empirical formula of glucose is CH2O. Now, तो इससे एक फॉर्मूला डेराइव होता है। अगर हम इस टॉपिक को अगर थोड़ा सा भी समझें या देखें तो वन फॉर्मूला इज डेराइव फ्रॉम दिस, दैट मॉलिकुलर फॉर्मूला इज इक्वल टू n into empirical formula. This n is an integer value which varies from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. In the case of glucose, the value of n is equal to 6. Therefore, molecular formula of glucose is equal to will be n into empirical formula of glucose. तो n का वैल्यू यहाँ पर 6. ओके, अभी हम आगे देखें कि n की वैल्यू कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं। तो here the value of n 6 into empirical formula of glucose is CH2O. Therefore, molecular formula of glucose will be C6H12 and O6. C6H12O6. तो दिस वैल्यू कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड बाय द गिवन फॉर्मूला molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. Okay, now the second thing is, what is molecular formula? Molecular formula. Then what is molecular formula? The formula of any compound which represents the actual number of elements present in it. Okay, any formula of compound which represents the actual number of elements present in one molecule of compound is called molecular formula. Then क्या लिखेंगे? The formula which represent the actual number of elements present in one molecule of compound. For example, the molecular formula, since the molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6, this is the actual number of elements present in the molecular formula of compound. There are 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms. Okay, so this is the molecular formula of compound. But हम किसी भी इंपेरिकल फॉर्मूला को देखकर कभी नहीं बता पाएंगे द कंपाउंड इज व्हाट, कंपाउंड उसमें वहां पर क्या है या कैसे हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. तो इट विल नॉट बी आइडेंटिफाइड बाय इंपेरिकल फॉर्मूला ओनली. ओके, नाउ तो इंपेरिकल फॉर्मूला एंड मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला ऐसे निकालते हैं और इसमें एन को निकालने का एक मेथड और भी रहता है. ठीक है, हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ एन? द वैल्यू ऑफ एन कैलकुलेटेड बाय the molecular formula weight upon empirical formula weight. ठीक है, the value of n can be calculated with the help of formula molecular formula weight and empirical formula weight. Okay, हाँ नमन, yes नमन बेटा, the empirical formula is the simplest formula of any compound, simplest whole number या simplest form of any compound. Now how will you calculate the value of n? For example, the molecular formula weight of glucose is equal to C6H12O6 होता है फॉर्मूला, तो therefore 12 into 6 for carbon plus 1 into 12 for hydrogen plus 16 into 6 for oxygen. 12 is the atomic mass of carbon and 6 is the number of carbon atoms. 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen and 12 is the number of hydrogen atom present in this formula, and 16 is the number of oxygen, the atomic mass of oxygen atom, and 6 is the number of oxygen. Now this is 12, this becomes 12, 12 6 are 72. ठीक है, 1 12 are 12 and 16 6 are 96. The overall value is 180 AMU or U. It is the molecular formula weight of glucose. Now, thank you ma'am. Thank you so much, Archana ma'am. There now second one is empirical formula weight of glucose. The empirical formula of compound is CH2O. So therefore, the mass of carbon is 12 plus hydrogen का mass 2, यानी 1 hydrogen का mass 1 and 2 hydrogen becomes 2, and the mass of oxygen is 16. The overall mass of glucose, empirical formula of glucose is 30 AMU. Now put these values, empirical formula weight and molecular formula weight, put these value in this formula. Now n becomes molecular formula weight upon empirical formula weight, means 180 upon 30, it becomes 6. ओके, तो इस तरह से हम लोग n की वैल्यू को करते हैं, कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. अब एक न्यूमेरिकल एक फॉर्मूला और इसमें यूज करते हैं. द अनदर फॉर्मूला फॉर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ मॉलिकुलर फॉर्मूला वेट इज इक्वल टू 2 into vapor density. Okay, 2 into vapor density. If the vapor density is given in the any numerical of any compound, then the molecular formula weight becomes double of its vapor density. We will calculate, we will see with the help of this following example. The example is a compound contains a compound contains 4.07% hydrogen, 24.27% carbon, and 71.65% chlorine. If the vapor density of compound is 49.5, then find empirical formula and molecular formula of compound. Okay, compound. इस न्यूमेरिकल को सॉल्व करने के लिए सबसे पहले द सॉल्यूशन वी कैन ड्रॉ अ टेबल. In this table, we put the following values. First, in first column, we will put elements. कौन से एलिमेंट? There are following elements present there: hydrogen, carbon, and chlorine. The percentage of hydrogen is 4.07%. In the second column, we will put the value of percentage of each element. Hydrogen is 4.07%. Carbon is equal to 24.27%. And chlorine is equal to 71.65%. 4.07% hydrogen, 24.27% carbon, and 71.65% chlorine. Now, in third column, we will calculate atomic ratio of elements. Atomic ratio. To calculate this value, divide the percentage, the given percentage value, with the help of atomic number of these elements. जैसे 4.07 divided by 1. The 1 is the atomic number of hydrogen. 24.27 divided by 12. 12 is the mass of carbon. And 71.65 upon 35.5. The 35.5 is the value of chlorine. We will calculate the following values. Okay. तो calculate करेंगे 4.07 divided by 1. तो it will be 4.07. Okay. Here 12 का डबल है, अप्रॉक्स 12 वैल्यू है, 12 to the 24, तो it will be approximately 2, and 35 to the 35.5 to the 71, it will also approx 2. Okay, it will be also approximately 2. In the next column, we will write the simplest ratio of element. Simplest ratio. How will you find simplest ratio of element? Now, जो भी इसमें से स्मॉल वैल्यू है, विच वन है ना, इसमें से जो भी स्मॉल वैल्यू है उससे सारी वैल्यूज को क्या कर देते हैं? डिवाइड कर देते हैं. तो इट विल बी 4.07 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. द 2 विल बी डिवाइडेड बाई 2 एंड 2 विल बी डिवाइडेड बाई 2. तो इट बिकम्स 1, इट बिकम्स 1, इट बिकम्स 2. ओके. द ऑल वैल्यूज ऑफ एटॉमिक रेशियो आर डिवाइडेड बाई द स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू इन ऑल देम. Smallest value is 2, then these values are divided by 2. Okay. Now in the next column we will write whole number ratio of elements. Whole number ratio of elements. So these are already whole numbers, so we will write them as it. Yani 2, 1, 1. So therefore these value represents the number of elements present in the empirical formula of compound. Therefore, empirical formula is equal to, there are hydrogen number are 2, H2, carbon numbers is 1, 1, and Cl is also 1, 1. और इसको इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं CH2Cl. This is the empirical formula of compound, our first answer. The second, now we will calculate a molecular formula of compound. तो सबसे पहले इसका इंपेरिकल फॉर्मूला वेट निकाल लेंगे. इंपेरिकल फॉर्मूला वेट इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा कार्बन इज 12, देयर आर 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स प्रेजेंट, तो देयरफॉर 2, एंड क्लोरीन इज इक्वल टू 35.5. द ओवरऑल मास इज 49.5. द इंपेरिकल फॉर्मूला वेट ऑफ कंपाउंड इज 49.5. ओके. सिंस वेपर डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू 49.5, ये आपकी गिवन है न्यूमेरिकल में. इफ द वेपर डेंसिटी ऑफ कंपाउंड इज 49.5, तो देयरफॉर मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला वेट इज इक्वल टू 2 into Vd, 2 into वेपर डेंसिटी, देयरफॉर 2 into 49.5, देयरफॉर इट विल बी 98.96. Okay, so this is the molecular formula weight of compound. Molecular formula weight of compound. The empirical formula weight is this and molecular formula weight is this. So with the help of these values, we will calculate the value of n. N will be क्या होगा, and the formula of n is equal to molecular formula weight upon empirical formula weight. That is, molecular formula weight is equal to 98.96 and empirical formula weight is 49.5. Then the value of n will be 2. Okay. Now, the value, when we find the value of n, then we will calculate the molecular formula of compound. Since molecular formula is equal to होता है n into empirical formula, the value of n is 2 and empirical formula of compound is CH2Cl. CH2Cl. Put multiply with this value, multiply the number of element with this value. So therefore molecular formula is C2, H already 2 है, so 2 into 2 मतलब 4, C2H4 and 2 into Cl, so Cl2. This is the molecular formula of compound. If we wish to write the structure of these compound, there are 2 carbon atoms, so 2 इस तरह से. There are 4 hydrogen atoms, so 2 hydrogen atoms will be here and 2 hydrogen atoms will be here, and 2 chlorine atoms, 2 Cl and 2 Cl. This is the compound, this is the structure of given compound. Or these chlorine will be on same, है ना? These chlorine can be on same carbon atoms like C, H, H, H and C, H, Cl and Cl. There are 2 isomers are possible with this molecular formula. So we can also draw the structure of given compound. Okay, this is the method to calculate empirical formula as well as molecular formula of compound. Okay, now we will discuss another question. The another question has calculate the mass percent of each element in calcium carbonate, CaCO3. How will you calculate the mass percent of each element in calcium carbonate? Then the formula is percentage of element is equal to, we will calculate the following, the percentage of each element with the help of this formula. Percentage of each element in the compound is equal to mass of given element, mass of that element upon total mass of compound into 100. Okay, calculate the mass of, total mass of compound is calcium carbonate. The mass of calcium is 40, mass of carbon is 12 and mass of oxygen is 16 into 3 because there are 3 oxygen atoms present in the molecules. So this is 40 plus 12 plus 16, 3s are 48, it becomes 100. Okay, therefore percentage of calcium in this compound is equal to mass of calcium upon total mass into 100. The mass of calcium is 40. This is the mass for calcium, this is the mass for carbon and this is for oxygen. So total mass of calcium is 40 upon total mass of compound is 100 into 100. So therefore 100% calcium is present in the compound. 40% calcium is present in the compound. And percentage of carbon is equal to mass of carbon upon total mass into 100. Total mass of compound 200. Mass of carbon is 12. So therefore 12 upon 100, total mass of compound is 100 into 100. So it will be 12%. Okay, and the percentage of oxygen in this compound is equal to mass of oxygen upon total mass into 100. So it will be mass of oxygen is equal to how much? 48. So therefore it will be 48 upon 100 into 100 means 48%. ये चीज जरूर याद रखिएगा कि जितने भी एलिमेंट्स होंगे उनके परसेंटेज का टोटल सम विल बी 100. टोटल परसेंट इज इक्वल टू 40 plus 12 plus 48 is equal to 100%. Okay, with the help of, now your task is, है ना, your task is calculate the empirical formula as well as molecular formula with the help of these percentage value. Any question is, this is homework for you. Carbon is equal to how much? Calcium is equal to how much? 40%. Carbon is equal to 12% and oxygen is equal to 48%. Calculate empirical formula of compound. Formula of compound. ठीक है, empirical formula and molecular formula of compound if Vd is equal to vapor density of compound is equal to 50. Okay, this is the task for you to calculate the empirical formula and molecular formula of the compound with these given values. थैंक यू एवरीवन. आई होप आप सभी को समझ में आया होगा. मैं सभी का आंसर्स देख लेता हूं, किसने क्या क्या दिया है, क्या क्या लिखा है. ओके, ज्योत्सना मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड थैंक यू सो मच. लुइस हाईजेकर, थैंक यू. प्रिया, थैंक यू. एंड प्रत्युष सिन्हा, थैंक यू. शिवानी यादव, थैंक यू. अंकित तिवारी, थैंक यू. अनस अंसारी, थैंक यू. ओ इकरा, थैंक यू. आई होप आप सभी को समझ में आ गया होगा कि हाउ विल बी कैलकुलेट द एम्पेरिकल फार्मूला एंड मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला ऑफ कंपाउंड. और दिस इज द ग्रेट स्टेप बाय गेटी एज वेल एज सिटी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल that they provide us this platform to present myself and other teachers, or I'm very happy to present myself here in this platform. Thank you Principal ma'am, thank you Sunita Gandhi ma'am, thank you so much.